Miam today. Are you seeking an out-of-court settlement with the federal government?
It's them that is holding me. They should tell me what they want to do with me.
No, it's a direct question. Yes. Sir, are you seeking an out-of-court settlement with the federal government?
I can't seek what I didn't initiate. They are the ones that kidnapped me and brought me here. So it's whatever they say that will happen.
But your lawyer is trying to move Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act, which calls for negotiation. Are you in line with that?
I reminded the judge of our powers.
I think it's the judge's powers. I don't think it's within his powers. It's for the judge to decide.
Okay, so would you want the judge to decide that?
Yes. It is up to her discretion to do that.
Okay, but now she has sent you to the AGF. So how would you explore that particular position of the court?
Well, the prosecutor who is prosecuting by fiat is not opposed to that. He too said we can go to AGF, and we are saying AGF can also come to us. That's correct. So that means they are open to the prospects of reconciliation. That's what the law says.
Okay. He's actually putting the law what the law says.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not me.
Thank you very much, sir.
Hello, great people. How are you doing? Have you had the latest? From what it seems, Nnamdi Kanu might soon be free. But you need to get the details of what happened. Nnamdi Kanu might soon be free. Viewers, you can put down your comments while we continue on the show. Nnamdi Kanu will soon be free based on what happened in the court yesterday. Yeah, the court has adjourned the trial of Nnamdi Kanu for a certain date, and from all indication, you saw the video we just played. They are asking him if he's seeking out of court settlement, and that is what it could be. It appears the whole thing might soon be over. From all indication, it might soon be over based on the development in court today. Yesterday, okay, because it has passed today. It's already after 12. It appears everything will soon end. I remember Nnamdi Kanu has been in DSS custody since June 2021 when he was arrested in Kenya. Yes, since June 2021 he was arrested in Kenya, and the trial adjourned to 23rd, 25th, and 26th. That's 2024. So Nnamdi Kanu trial has been pushed to September 2024. So he will be tried, if it depends, 23rd, 25th, 26th, 2024. So the next time you're going to see him in court is in September. According to the court, they said they were not ready, that they are not ready to commence properly. Maybe the two sides has some, So the defense has asked the court to explore section. The defense, that's Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, asked the court to explore section 17 of the Federal High Court Act. And let's look at what section 17 of the Federal High Court Act says. It says, in any proceedings in the courts, the court may promote reconciliation among the parties thereto and encourage and facilitate the amicable settlement thereof. So it also saying that they can explore other options to settle this matter. This matter has lingered quite for some time in the court. So if they can, the defense, which is Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, is asking the courts, let's explore section 17 of the courts, Supreme Court's law. And it says they can settle out of court. So from what it seems, the lawyers representing the federal government and Nnamdi Kanu will settle out of court. And this was his Ejimakot's submission. And you had them say it after the court proceeding in the video we posted. That was Ejimakot's submission, after which Justice Bintanyako looked at it. Okay, he first dismissed the fresh application by the team challenging the jurisdiction of the court to entertain the counts. They started by challenging the jurisdiction of the court to entertain the counts number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 15 for being unconstitutional. Now, the court held that it cannot overrule itself on the matters it has already resolved. And Ejimaka also noted that the trial cannot continue if his client's right to fair hearing is being questioned. So, like we said, there was an adjournment. There was an adjournment, and they also raised the issue of the DSS not complying regards, the court ruled earlier that Nnamdi Kanu should be allowed visits up to 5 people or so, or thereabouts, and no restrictions, and these people can come and see him. But it's like DSS is not playing, doing what they're supposed to do. And Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer are seeking that the DSS must be locked up for not complying with court's ruling. I don't understand why this country is being run this way. Some people are acting as if they are above the law. The law, based on what the ruling of Justice Nyako, they said he should be allowed certain people to come and see him, including any doctor of his choice. But based on what Ejimaka is saying, he's been restricted. So that is it. The case has been adjourned to September. And the judge also permitted them, remember, they are demanding for an out-of-court settlement, something of that nature. And the judge has permitted them, yes, you can settle out of court. Meanwhile, they said you have to meet the Attorney General, AGF, regards that. And if the Attorney General grants them the request to settle out of court, the two can meet. It is possible. So they'll meet to federal. So it's like, for those who are saying the federal government will, or the two sides might look for a political solution, yes, they could settle, oh, this is what we want and this is what we want. This is how we should go about it now. So there might not be any trial again. They could agree on some terms and they settle out of court. And then Nnamdi Kanu also made comments on Southeast killing, saying he's not responsible and he should end even the attack of the military in Aba. So what we're going to see September, the proposed date for the trial could be that we could hear an announcement like this. This case has been ended. The two sides, the defense and they have agreed to settle out of court. Depending, they will have terms for the settlement. That is what we'll probably hear. So you've had it. And I think they are satisfied with it, both Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team, because they are the ones that actually asked for that. And Binta Nyako has told them it is possible. You can continue with it. And even before they approach Binta Nyako on that, or before, they already know it is possible. So we are for those who are looking forward, who are talking about political solution, I think that is where it will get to. So it seems this thing that started how many years ago? In 2021, I think so. He was renditioned in 2021. I think it is coming to an end in June 2021. Yes, he was brought into Nigeria. They will settle, it involves terms and conditions. So what do you think? This is where we round up on this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on anywhere you see our logo. Bye-bye for now.